Welcome back. Congress has charged present MLAs of being hand in gloves with hoteliers and facilitating them tourist lands and properties to set up business ventures on PPP model. Kalangut former MLA Agnel Fernandez claims Wagator kiosks were legal and government should not have demolished them. Meanwhile, Pandurang Madkekar said that Luis Infilero should get into act quickly and bring back the lost glory of the state Congress.
See, yesterday at Vagator, Anjuna, but 60 people were displaced. Their kiosks were broken. They've been doing business for the last more than 20 years with proper license from the Panchayat and other authorities. Now, locals are being displaced to make way for non-Goan businessmen. The MLA has said in the newspaper report that the hotelier has shown interest in giving money as CSR initiative. They are not talking what the hotelier is going to get out of it. Is he going to manage the place? Is he just doing the beautification?
Kauthankar criticized the Panji former MLA Parrikar for leaving the market and Mala Lake projects halfway.
Mala Lake side जो market complex असा पळता तो. That market complex has become a white elephant. Hundreds of crores of public funds have been utilized for that project, and for more than a decade, 10 वर्षां वयर जाली तो project pending असा. इतले वर्षां एकूच आमदार असताना सिटीन तो मनीस 3 फावटी मुख्यमंत्री जालो असताना तो 10 वर्षां वयर जालो एक project pending असा.
Meanwhile, MLA Pandurang Madkekar gave an advice for his party president Luisino Falero.
आता 3 महिने जाले त्या दृश्टीन अजून म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता की कांय घडटा अशें की चेंजीस अश्यो मेजर चेंजीस कांय दिसोना. लुईजिनो फालेरोन जाता तितले बेगीन एक लोकांची ज्यो अपेक्षा कितें आसा काँग्रेस पक्षा कडल्यान आनी लुईजिनो फालेरो कडल्यान ह्यो जाणून घेवपाची गरज आसा. राजकारण हें फक्त सावथ हेजे पळयनासतना आख्खे राज्यभर गोंयभर पळोवंक जाय.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Cricket Association's annual 2020 Cricket Championship, the GPL, will be played from 21st February to 6th March at Porvorim. 8 teams, including one each from Maharashtra and Delhi, will take part in the GPL. Caculo Group will be the new team to enter the most loved cricket competition of Goa. Matches will be played under floodlights like last year, but a new format will be followed. The player auction is scheduled for 9 February. Meanwhile, Sudesh Prabhudesai and Ketan Bhatikar have been co-opted as members of GCA.
The Goa Professional League will start from 21st will be inauguration and 22nd matches will start. Final will be on 6th of March. It's all same like last time. It was 2 matches per day, starts at 2 o'clock and finish by 10 o'clock. And final will start at 6:30 and finish will only one match on the final day. We have a new team coming from Goa. First time, Caculos, Manoj Kakule, the entrepreneur who has put his team. First time coming. The other teams which are as old as Dempo, Salgaonkars, Chaugulej, Gino, Sarvodai, Caculos. And there are 2 outstation teams coming, not from out of India, but in Indian origin. One is from Delhi Warriors, and second is Jain Academy from Jalga.
And total आम्ही 75 सुमार पूल काडिल्लो आसा. म्हणा 8तले एक्चुअली 6 प्लेयर आमचे 6 फ्रँचायझी वतले आनी आमी ज्यो भायले फ्रँचायझी आसा तांकां आमी 4 प्लेयर गोवन घेवपाक कंपल्सरी केल्ले आसा. जशें आमची फ्रँचायझी 4 भायले घेतले तशें तांणी 4 आमचे घेवपाक जाय आनी एटलिस्ट 3 तांणी खेळोवपाक जाय
In final 11.
फायनल 11 या. सो तांकां आमी अमकेच घे अशें म्हणून सांगू ना. तांच्यांनी 4 खंयच्याय घेवपा जाता एलीट ए ग्रूप घेवपा दिवना आमी तांकां, कारण ए ग्रूप म्हणटा आमी अंडर 19 आनी हे एलीट आनी बी ग्रूप हातूंतले तांणी 4 घेवपाचे. एलीट ग्रुपांतले 8तले जर कोणी उरले जाल्यार दे विल गो टू ए. एक 21 आसा तातूंतले 18 घेवपाचे, म्हणून तातूंतले जर 3-4 कोण उरता पळय ते बींक वतले आनी बीतले मागीर कोण उरते आउट ऑफ हे जाले. सेकंडली आमी ह्या वर्सा क्वॉलिफायर आनी एलिमिनेटर केले. मिनिमम एक टीम कमीत कमी 4 तरी मॅची खेळटल्यो. अदरवायज कितें जातालें 2 ग्रूप केले जाल्यार 2 मॅची खेळणार भायर पडल्यार भायर पडले.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.